What's up, everybody? With Easter right around the corner, I decided to print out this little fella here. This is a little origami rabbit from Thigiverse. As you can see, the top left-hand corner has the file and link if you want to download and print one for yourself and have them hop around for your kids later on this weekend. This is in Cura. I printed this out at a 0.1 millimeter layer height, completely hollow to save on filament. Not enough space to drop anything in there, maybe some grains of rice, so you could shake them like a maraca. You never know. Alright, so stay tuned, and I'm going to bring up the time-lapse for you guys. And I will be having a giveaway later on this week, so if you're a fan of a particular presidential candidate, please leave their name in the comments below, just in case that's the one I'm working with. And if you want to see more videos, or if you have any questions, please subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you.